आप सभी को मेरा प्रणाम. My name is Arvind Kannaujiya and I warmly welcome you on my channel The Develop Mind. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to speak English naturally like a native speaker and why so many people fail to speak English naturally even after putting so much effort. I have an incredible solution for this problem, which have been proven the best solution for this problem to speak English naturally. Trust me guys, if you understand this, what I'm about to share, then no matter what language speaking family background are you from, you will speak English naturally like a native speaker. So what you have to do is watch the video very carefully and pay more attention on the solution which I'm about to give. So let's start. Before I start, I would like to tell you something. I'm from a non-English speaking family background. We speak Bhojpuri at our home. And when I started learning English naturally, then these suggestions helped me a lot. So let's talk about that. First, we talk about our second topic. Why many people fail to speak English naturally even after putting so much effort. The main reason these people fail because they try to learn English through their local language. For example, my mother tongue is Hindi. So they try to learn English through Hindi grammar books, Hindi to English translation, watch Hindi videos to learn English. You may have watched such type of video where people teach English like, हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम ये है. आज हम इंग्लिश के एक ऐसे इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं जो आज तक किसी ने नहीं बताया होगा. आप इंग्लिश के रूल ऐसे फॉलो करिए, आपको इंग्लिश इस तरीके से आ सकती है. एंड दे एक्सप्लेन एवरीथिंग इन हिंदी एंड दे फोकस टू मच ऑन द ग्रामर. I know grammar is the base of English language, but in order to speak English, you don't need to know a lot of grammar. And in the end, these people can't be able to speak English naturally. And most of them give up. They don't try anymore. So learning English through your local language will not help you at all. I hope you are getting my point. So what to do in order to learn English speaking naturally? Now let's talk about our first topic, which is the solution of our second topic, which is how to speak English naturally. If English is your second language and you want to speak English naturally like a native speaker, then there are two things which you have to do. First one, surround yourself with English speaking environment. Yes, you have to surround yourself with English speaking environment. Now, I'm saying you surround yourself English speaking environment, then it doesn't mean you have to go to abroad or something. You can do it alone at the same place where you are right now. What you have to do is whatever you read, you watch, you listen, everything must be in English. That's how you can surround yourself with English speaking environment. Read anything in English, watch whatever video in English, watch movies, read books, that should be in English only. I mean to say, whatever you watch in your smartphone, TV, everything should be in English. The best way to learn English naturally are watching lots of TV shows, movies, podcasts, read English books as much as you can. Second one, obsess. You have to be obsessed with English. No matter what language speaking family background are you from, you have to speak English each and every second. You have to eat with English. You have to sleep with English. Whatever you have to do, just do it. You have to obsess with English. This is what you have to do if you really want to speak English naturally like a native speaker. Trust me guys, this is possible. If you are really serious, then do it. If you understand this, then believe me my friend, I guarantee you will speak English naturally like a native speaker. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and share it with all your friends. I'll see you in the next video with an amazing topic. Till then, Pranam.